Hey, didn't you get one? Hey, Taylor, you already went out. Didn't you get one? Did you get oh, I won't say the T word. Lucy, didn't you get one? Didn't you get one, Lucy? You went out too. You both got one, right? Taylor, did you get one, Tay Tay? Oh, you did? You're a good girl. You're such a good girl. Lucy, get the fuck out of there. All right, hold on, guys. Thank you for participating. I'm gonna give you one now. See? Oh, you turned around real quick, didn't you? Didn't you? You turned around real quick, Taylor. You're something else. You too, Lucy. You're something else too. I love you. Love you, Lucy. And I love you, Taylor. Okay, Tay Tay? I'm gonna give you one now. Okay? Where are they? Here we go. Ooh. Oh, here. Nope, there's a big bag over here. This is what it was. It's been sitting out the whole time. Is this what you wanted? Tay Tay? Lucy? Is this what you wanted? Is this it? You won't. You got too much pride, Taylor. You won't wag your tail on that one. All right, hold on. I got them. You want them? All right. You guys are very good girls. Gentle. Good girl. You both deserved it. Now you can leave. Oh, no, you're gonna get a drink first, probably. Nope, eat. Nope. I'm done. I got what I wanted. Right, Lucy? No, you always stick around for a little more. You think you're gonna get seconds. No, you just got seconds. You're not getting third. That I can tell you and you. You, Lucy. That's right. You. What are you looking at? You. You talking to me? I can't resist this moment. You talking to me? Huh? You talking to me? No. I don't see anybody else. Wait a minute. Hold on. I don't see anybody else here. You talking to me? Well, who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Go ahead, Lucy. I love my dog dogs. This is why you can see. You can talk to animals like Dr. Doolittle. They listen. She backed off. Look at her now. Taylor just is absent. She doesn't give a shit. Unless it's about food. Right, Tay? Or, well, food or rubbing her belly. You guys good? Good, Tay? So you don't want to go back into your room? Why don't you want to go in your room? I know why. Because you are a loyal companion. You stand out here all day. But you go in there all night. Well, I shouldn't say stand. You lie down here and you watch out for us and bark if something happens. Right? Like this, watch. Hold on. I hate to do this. This is cruel, but I have to do it. It's not, people knock on people's doors every day. It's not gonna kill them. Okay, watch. They're still dogs, even though you can talk to them. It's okay. Hey. Shh, good. It's okay. Shh. It's all right. Lucy. It's okay. It's okay, Tay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, Lucy, why don't you do that? I don't even know what Taylor was working at, and the minute Taylor walks in, you start. Lucy, knock it off.
Nobody's out there.
Taylor! You're just doing it now because Lucy did it. Now stop. Lucy just did it because you did it. Now you're just doing it because she did it. Both of you are just enjoying it. Thank you. Be nice. Be good.
David, what are you doing?
Bye.